Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are continuing my Be Better series with a revamping of a project I first shared back in 2013 that I called a Shine and Detangle Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse. The original was an herb-infused apple cider vinegar rinse for the hair, designed to use after washing your hair with a cold process soap style shampoo bar. For this revamping, I decided to take a look at the name, the Shine and Detangle, and work with that and pretty much completely rework the recipe using the things that I've learned about hair care in the intervening years, and then also using new ingredients that I wouldn't have used back when I first got started. So this is our new project, a Shine and Detangle conditioning hair rinse. And it is kind of like a love child between a lightweight conditioner and a sort of a detangling rinse or spray. Our conditioning ingredients are some cetrimonium chloride and some Polyquaternium 7, both of which will help make the hair feel conditioned and also improve comb through, so it will reduce tangles. For the shine part, we have quite a few ingredients contributing to that. The conditioning ingredients definitely do, but then we also have some panthenol, some hydrolyzed quinoa protein, and some PEG8 dimethicone. The PEG8 dimethicone also functions as our solubilizer to solubilize in a small amount of fragrance so that the final product smells wonderful. This is all really easy to make. It is completely cold processed, so we're basically just kind of stirring everything together in order, and then you are off to the races. For more information about this formulation, including more discussion on what was updated and why and that sort of thing, please make sure you are checking out the description box below. Click through to the blog post. There's way more information there, and also links to places to buy all the ingredients, information on substitution, scaling, shelf life, and of course links to the original version from 2013 that we are revamping today. But come on, let's get started. We're going to begin by dispersing our fragrance in our solubilizer. So for this project, I'm going to use a fragrance called Beechwood Vetiver, which smells amazing. Maybe it's vetiver. It smells incredible. You can use other things. Please refer to the blog post for other options. So that was half a gram of fragrance, and now we're going to add 2 grams of PEG8 dimethicone. Now we will add our conditioning ingredients, so we'll need 2 grams of cetrimonium chloride and 2 grams of Polyquaternium 7. At this point it gets really kind of weird and boogery, which is neat, but that'll go away as we add more ingredients. We need half a gram of panthenol, also known as vitamin B5, 4 grams hydrolyzed quinoa protein, and this is what gives it its brown color, 4 grams sodium lactate, and remember to see the blog post for substitutions, half a gram of liquid germall plus, and 84.5 grams of distilled water. So you want to stir relatively gently until you don't see any more blobby viscous bits, and then we're ready to package it up. For a package, I am using this 4-ounce squeezy bottle that has a turret cap, and this makes for easy dispensing of the rinse over the hair in the shower. And there you go. We just made a lovely Shine and Detangle conditioning hair rinse. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please make sure you are reading the associated blog post, which is linked in the description box below. There you'll find a lot more information about this formulation, which is part of my Be Better series, so you can compare it to the original from 2013 and learn what I've changed and why. But yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.